Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a cheese curd pepperoni pizza. Now, the first thing we're going to do is make the sauce, which is my standard pizza sauce. A 28-ounce can of tomato sauce or crushed tomatoes or blended up San Marzanos gets put into a slow cooker. The dough for this recipe is my standard pizza dough, but I didn't film it. A link to a video where I make the dough. I've made it several times on this channel, so I did age the dough for 72 hours. That's the way I think this pizza dough does best, is you make it, put the dough in baggies, and leave it in the fridge for 3 days. If you're in a hurry, you can do 2. But 3 is generally optimal. And then we want to mince up 3 cloves of garlic. Then you want to add a teaspoon of salt. Follow that up with a tablespoon of olive oil. Follow that up with a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And then a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Followed by a quarter teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Then, you just want to give this a stir around, make sure everything's nice and mixed. You want to turn the slow cooker on high for 1 hour, and then turn it on low for at least 2 hours. Then just keep it on low until you're ready to make pizza. And then you just want to keep working the dough until you got most of this quarter sheet pan covered. And got our pizza dough ready to go. Now let's sauce this pizza up. Again, you sauce it as much or as little as you like. I like a nice saucy pizza. That's just my personal preference. Okay. Now, instead of mozzarella, I'm going to be adding some cheese curds, and we're going to spread these all around our pizza. Like I said, it's a pepperoni cheese curd pizza. Okay, and then just add some pepperonis. And that's really it. Pop this into a 550-degree oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. Basically, keep an eye on it after the 8-minute mark. You want the cheese melted and the edges golden brown. Alright, through the magic of cooking show editing, our pizza is done. And now we just kind of want to carve it up into little squares. And that's really it. A cheese curd pepperoni pizza. Done. But on another topic, this pizza was absolutely delicious and lasted about 5 minutes.